everyone. So today we'll share our family day in Sunday edition. And with the holiday season in full swing, we love to slow down and have fun as a family. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, and of course, guess who are the first people to wake us up every single day, guys? Like, whether it's work day, whether it's weekends, it's always the kids. And of course, as you guys can see, we are rocking our holiday PJs. We just love having like holiday PJs. You know, sometimes we wear it to sleep. It just brings in all the fun, all the closeness, all the coziness during the holiday season. So of course, the kids woke us up this morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, and sometimes, you know, on Sundays we go to church. Of course, hubby goes to church every single Sunday, but days where like probably it's too cold or there's just something that happened, he would, you know, stay home with us. But yeah, this is our Sunday morning family routine. Of course, we went ahead and spent a little time with the kids. We also kind of love putting on Christmas music, Christmas movies in the house, whether in the kitchen, in the kids' room, in our bedroom. This is just something where once it's November 1st, you guys already know. If you've been a faithful, subscriber, a faithful supporter, you know that November 1st is when Christmas starts in my home. The reason we do it that way is so that we are able to enjoy Christmas, more. Unlike starting in December and then 2 weeks or 3 weeks after, the whole thing is gone. You set up your Christmas tree after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's it. But when you spend like maybe a month, 2 months, with Christmas decor, Christmas fun, Christmas rituals, Christmas tradition in your home, by the time it's January 1st, you're already like out of the whole Christmas thing. Like you're ready to set the day, the year, you're ready to like set goals and everything. That's like the mentality we always have. So anyways, you guys, we went ahead and fixed up the bed, of course, and next thing is to go ahead and brush our teeth. Even though some mornings we just wake up and we kiss and everything, but yeah, brushing your teeth like once you wake up in the morning, it can never be underrated. It's so underrated. It can never be overemphasized, guys. So we go ahead and brush our teeth. Don't mind me. I'm just used to is either hobby is hitting my butt or I'm hitting hobby's butt. Just don't mind that part, guys. But anyways, we go ahead and brush our teeth, and also once we are done brushing our teeth, sometimes the kids, while we're brushing our teeth, they're brushing their teeth in their bathroom, but because we are filming, of course, I had to capture their side. So I and hubby, we brushed our teeth in our bathroom, and the kids are here getting ready to brush their teeth, and we absolutely love this timer. This is perfect. It just helps the kids know, like once we put it on, I believe it's a 30-second timer or a minute timer. I can't even remember, but we usually set that up for them, or they also set it up by themselves where they put that on. It lets them know how long they're supposed to brush their teeth. It's actually for brushing teeth and also washing hands, so that you're washing your hand the proper way. But anyways, guys, I went ahead and brushed Ace's teeth because of course Ace, he doesn't know how to brush his teeth that well, so I always take out the time to brush his teeth, get everyone ready before we go in for breakfast. Usually church, like on Sundays when we don't go to church, of course we do church at home, and church starts at 10, so we love to tune into the online screen, the online service for church. But anyways, you guys, of course, because it's Sunday, we are always making sure that the house is clean, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we always love to vacuum the floor, the twins, the vacuum, the sweep, the staircase. One twin actually vacuums the house, and then the other one takes care of the staircase. So that's basically what we are doing here. And if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below. Let me know if you guys love like cozy, kind of slow, and family time, because I absolutely love that. And also, as always, if you're interested in anything you see in my videos, definitely check my description box, because everything is always listed there, our PJ, everything, guys. But yeah, it's breakfast time, and while I was getting the eggs from the refrigerator, guys, guess what? Hubby told me, he said, babe, your face will be perfect for breaking these eggs, because we watched, you see, he went in first, right? He went in first. I was minding my business, so hey God, he told me the some of the videos we watch on social media, especially on Instagram, of wives or girlfriends cracking egg on their man's head. So when he reminded me of that, he said, babe, your head, you like your face, because he knows I have on hair, I have on wig, so he knows he can't break the egg on my wig, right? He now said, my forehead looks good for breaking the egg. Meanwhile, before he finished saying it, guys, I went in and I cracked the head. Look, I was trying to boom, I went again. So this one is 2-0, guys. He was shocked that I broke the first egg, and before he knew it, I broke the second egg on his head. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. He wasn't expecting it, but the thing is, he started it. He was like that my forehead was perfect for cracking the egg, but look at him now. Look at him, guys. His son even ran in to come and see what was happening, because hubby was shocked. He was surprised. He didn't know I was going to go in for it. Like, he was just joking, telling me how my forehead was perfect for cracking the egg because of the video we watch on Instagram, without knowing that I'm not a talker. I will do. Like, I went in immediately, bam, cracked one egg. He was telling me, babe, please don't kiss me, leave me alone. But that was so fun, guys. Honestly, I really had fun doing that to him. But anyways, guys, we went ahead and made the eggs, and yeah, we just have our quiet family breakfast time. Well, guys, I was thinking, let me know if you want to see some Thanksgiving recipes. I already did my Thanksgiving shopping for, like meals. I'm definitely I'm hosting this year. So you guys know I'm going to be the hostess with the mostest. But yeah, let me know if you want to see any Thanksgiving recipe. I don't know. It's been so long I did a recipe video on my channel. Sometimes I feel like you guys, like with the amount of job that goes into cooking different dishes, especially it's easier, right, when you're just cooking. But when you're filming, you're carrying camera up and down, and then when you post it and the video doesn't do well, it's not motivating at all. I always feel like people don't want, you don't want to do things that people are not going to watch. So but let me know if you guys want to see some Thanksgiving recipes, because I'm making about 5 different dishes this Thanksgiving, because my sisters-in-laws are coming, and yeah, just let me know. But anyways, guys, we went ahead and made breakfast. We made chicken and waffle and egg, and we're just going to have our quiet time, our quiet family time to eat. This is the time we just take to relax, eat. Of course, as you guys can see, I'm feeding Ace. He actually eats by himself, but sometimes, especially the chicken was oh my gosh, I forgot the name, but yeah, those type of chicken, he always find it difficult to cut and to eat. So I decided to just feed him. The plate is for me and Ace, while every other person is eating and stuffing their mouths. Alright, so it's service time, and we love to tune into Creflo Dollar Ministry. Sometimes, of course, we tune into our church our church online streaming, but that one is for Facebook and also Instagram. They stream on Facebook and Instagram, but you can't get that on the TV. So days where we're streaming from home, we usually tune into Creflo Dollar Ministry. And guys, oh my gosh, like this is the perfect time we just relax as a family. I know, like, I love the traditional church, just going to church, mingling with the brethren and everything. But yeah, for days where we can't make it to church, we always take out 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour to still listen to the word of God, praise and worship and everything. So that's basically what we are doing here. Of course, everybody is paying attention, but Mr. Ace can care less. Like, he's into his own world. He's always doing his own things. But yep, guys, that is basically it. After that, we usually would go ahead and maybe make lunch or maybe relax. If it's days where we don't want to, cook again, we probably just order pizza or order something, to be delivered. But yep, towards the evening, the kids, they go in, get ready for school. They bring out their school uniform, their school clothes, they pack their bag for school, as against Monday. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because we really did. Like, I really enjoyed today's video. Bye.